Property in a premium estate are known to command good value and promises good return on investment. And what makes an estate a premium estate is a combination of different factors. One of it is its accessibility and infrastructural development of that estate within and around that very estate. Oh, are you out there? You are looking for a premium estate where you can invest in. Ibeju Lekki, right here at Elerangbe, just welcome a new baby. Welcome to Mikasa, a home for you and your family. If you are watching my channel for the first time, my name is Prelaunch Lekki. I'm your value-added developer in the city of Lagos. And this is the basic job we do. We've assisted a lot of investors, both home and abroad, to secure viable investment here in the country. And should you are outside there, you are looking for a real estate consultant to trust, I am the next person you should be sending a DM to. Send me a DM, call the number on this video. Should you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe. We give you the best information regarding real estate investment in the city of Lagos and in Nigeria as a whole. Ibeju Lekki just welcome a new baby. Here at Elerangbe rises a new vision, Mikasa. Mikasa is our newest estate that just got introduced right here, a little few minutes off Elerangbe bus stop here at Ibeju Lekki. Should you are outside there, you are looking for a premium estate to invest in, here we are at Mikasa. Mikasa is having a padded dry ground. You can see the topography of this place is a lovely place. It's a non-flooded area and it's having a very good title of government allocation. We have different sizes ranging from 300 square meter, 500 or 1000 square meter. With initial deposit of 5 million naira, you can come on board. It's a lovely place. It's just like 3 minutes off Lekki Expressway. This is the right time to invest. I keep advising investors that the best time to key into investments is when it's selling for pre-launch. Then you tend to maximize profit on your investment. So you watching this video, you are the reason why I'm in this business. I want to hold your hand through this process. I want to help you with your investment. And having Mikasa in your investment portfolio will make a lot of difference. So why don't you call me? I will show you around for you to see how lovely Mikasa. Mikasa promises a lot of great facilities. Thank you for staying tuned. Right now, let me take you inside Mikasa, Lagos. I want you to see how development is coming gradually into this lovely estate. As you can see from here is the perimeter fencing. And here is our gatehouse. The construction of the gatehouse has started without wasting time. This estate was introduced in less than 2 months. And right here, construction has started without wasting any more time. So you watching this video, I want you to have a view of this place and imagine what it will be in the next 3 or 4 months, because development is going with the speed of light right there. And look at it, it's a padded dry ground. I told you that it's no flood area. This is a padded dry ground and it's in a livable environment. You can see around me there are houses within and around this estate. So it's a buy and build. It's a place that you can subscribe to, and after allocation you move to site. No one is hindering you. You can start construction without wasting time. Look at it. Just look around and see. Workers are already on site. The company has moved into site without any delay. So as many that are subscribing is an instant allocation and it's a padded dry ground. It's having a very good title of government allocation. So don't waste any more time. Mikasa Lagos has been introduced and is selling. So you watching this video that you desire a home for your family, why don't you buy land? Buy land and start building. This is buy and build. So you are out there looking for estate that tick all the boxes for you. A good title, a good land. You can see the topography of this very place. I'm working on it. It's a non-flood area. It doesn't have experienced any form of erosion. It's a place where you can buy and build. You don't have any issues sound feeling in this lovely place. This is Elerangbe in Ibeju Lekki. It's a padded solid ground. So you'll be wondering, what are the sizes of this land? I know you will be willing to buy in this lovely environment because Mikasa Estate promises to deliver a enviable environment for the inhabitants. We have 300 square meter right here, selling for 21.5 million naira. With initial deposit of 3 million, you can spread your payment across for 12 months. And we have our 500 square meter here, selling for 35 million naira. But with initial deposit of 5 million naira, you can spread your balance as well. Oh, you are there considering that you will love a place that is for commercial purpose. Yes, we have that in mind for you as well. We have 1,000 square meters selling right here for 80 million naira. And with 10 million naira, you can spread your balance. So you watching me, why don't you send me a DM? Why don't you call the number on this video? We have enviable neighborhood within this place because Mikasa Lagos is strategically located few minutes to Lekki proposed international airport, Lekki deep sea port, and Lekki free trade zone. Is in the midst of already established great establishment, both public and private establishments. It's a lovely place that is appreciating speed of light. So give me a call. I'm waiting to hear from you. I am the next person that you should be thinking of calling because this place has just been introduced and I want you to subscribe to it. Why is still selling at Prelaunch price? So don't waste any more time. Call me, send me a DM. Let me subscribe for you in this lovely place and you will give me a thumb up that I bring this lovely investment opportunity your way. Thank you for watching this video till I come to your face again. God bless you. Bye for now.